How to switch to real account on Binomo.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to switch from a demo account to a real account on Binomo, first of all open up a web browser. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and write down binomo.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure that you are logged into your Binomo account, and once you're inside, go to the upper right corner from the home screen of Binomo and you'll see a demo account drop down. Click on that. Now in the pop-up, select the real account option to switch to real account. If you haven't added any phone number yet, you'll need to go ahead and provide your phone number to secure the access of the platform. Enter your phone number and then click on save. If you haven't deposited any funds yet, you may be prompted to make a deposit before trading with real money. Now you have successfully switched to real account on Binomo.com. Remember, a real account uses actual money and losses are real. Binomo itself notes that trading can result in significant financial losses. You can switch back and forth between demo and real accounts at any time by repeating the step. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.